Hey, what's up, Pumptown and friends? Welcome back to another update. Hope you're all doing great. Hope your trading day was pretty good. So, what do we got? Well, my goodness. So, last night I was bullish, and it was really all depending on where we were going to open up in relation to this midway point of the weekly fair value gap. So when I went live, it was like somewhere around here. So if we were to be trading above here, I was going to look for this for an entry point. If not, it was going to be the new week opening gaps, consequent encroachment. Or the new week opening gap, rather. My first try was here. I took an L. I tried again as price was coming back up. And today I held for full pull, which was these equal highs up here. And price came back at me and stopped me out at entry. And then in the PM session, I took one break even and one or two more very small, tiny L's, looking for my ride back up to the upside. And son of a gun, it did it later. So I was looking at this here, and my position was profitable for the moment. And then it came back on me one more time. So it came down almost for this bullish breaker from a 15-minute from before, I believe. But come back down and cleared the new week opening gaps discount, and then snaps up, closes above the lower quadrant. And then so these are the annotations from the PM session with my private students. I haven't changed anything. And this is what I was looking for, all these blue boxes to get flipped into support and then run out buy side liquidity. And that ended up happening after. So timing was an hour off. It happens. You guys need to understand that you're allowed to be offside. You're allowed to take L's, but you're not allowed to destroy yourself. And even if price plays the way that you anticipated, then great. Live in that moment. Live in that grace, that in that greatness that you were able to call out price. And you might not be a part of the move. You might have taken too many shots. You might have taken too much risk, or maybe you hit your max risk for the day. That's great that you're sticking to your rules and you're able to still sit there and watch price move exactly how you predicted it might move if it wanted to go up into buy side liquidity, and condition yourself to that FOMO, because it's so easy to react to your instincts when you're getting shots of adrenaline. Your immediate response is to react. I want you to practice following your rules. I want you to practice not reacting when you feel impulses. And now that this has been brought to your attention, maybe nobody ever told you this before, but now you have something to work toward. You pretty much know what your setup is. You pretty much know what you're looking for. It doesn't matter what style you're playing. You know how to make money. It doesn't matter if you're playing a money printer, any patterns, divergence. You got to wait for it, accept your fate, and then wait for the next setup again. So you're always waiting. But condition yourself to being okay with price moving without you. Even if you did forecast it, you'll instinctually think, oh, I need to be in it because it's doing exactly what I want. Nah, just study it. Study it and watch it print and do all the things you thought it was going to do without any money attached, without any position in there. It's freeing. It really is, because you know how we were kind of like, I was waiting for that specifically here all day and to go reach up into my targets. Yes, and I'm live right now. I was expecting this beautiful delivery here, at least somewhere in here, and it just came down for one more dab before wanting to, it looks like it's going to run up there now. So don't let price action destroy a lot of work. Remember, we had a cakewalk coming up here the last few weeks. It was just an absolute cakewalk coming up here. So when we get up in these levels, it's really, really tough to navigate if you're new. So this is why you're primarily studying. So nothing's really changed. We haven't really done much. So I'm just going to remove these here. And that was tagged, so that was targets from the PM session. And that's the lower quadrant of the gray shaded area. And this is the new week opening gap that we're dangling in right now. I'm still aiming for this blue shaded area. And now I feel even more on side than ever. This was a 15-minute breaker here. And we could even cherry pick that high or that high, whatever it hit. It hit in my books. And so we've now back SR flipped the consequent encroachment of the new week opening up. This is all I wanted to see. I just wanted to see us going up above the gap for definitely tomorrow. So this is okay. We can have the higher low in for the week. Obviously, well, that's actually not bad. That's dope. That could be the higher low for the week, just like Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was nicer today, for whatever reason. This is the first presentation for value gap from Monday. I just have it on my chart, just because I want it there. And so, what does tomorrow be looking like? So still in a premium. Now this is the annoying part that happened today. We got down into our price point. I'm going to take these extra stuff off here. We got down into our price point today, right there. That was, well, my first long was here because we could have just moonshot it off of there. Second one was here, and it was in profit for quite some time until here. And then we retraced, and look at the close. We closed above the new week opening gap, so that's showing me strength. If I was looking at that in a 15-minute chart, I'd be going, oh, well, order flow is still bullish. What else do we got here? Oh, 1, 2, 3. We got a swing low here in that price point there. So I'm still really turbo bullish. Tomorrow, I will be aiming for previous day high. Have this on your chart. I would like to say that the bottom's in for the day. We could come back down into here, but I would just like to see us working up. I want to see a fat snap into this blue box and create a fair value gap here. That's the goal. I'm actually going to use a different. There we go. And stuff crust is here. So open, low, high, close. That's what I'll be looking at. God bless you all. Thank you for joining. Oh, Timmy, what's up? I went short at the drop. Yo, take me out. Enjoyed life. Played with the kids. Dude, man. God bless you. That's exactly it. Lost $10 this morning, then hit 80. Nice. Right on, you guys. God bless you. Thank you for joining, and we will see you tomorrow. Peace.